Yo, what's up, my fellow beautiful, amazing 50-50 people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, as you guys can see, I'm excited. I am excited. Yo, I'm so happy. Yo, 50-50. Dang it. Yo, I love those females, bro. I love those beautiful females. But I'm wondering to myself, like, why is this song called SOS? Why? Are you guys having an emergency? Please, I can be to your rescue at any moment. Just call my phone and I'll be at your rescue in a jiffy. Guys, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So to all my 50-50 people, I'm happy you guys have returned. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. It's a pleasure to have you all here on my page, bro. In Jamaica, look, music is really a beautiful thing, but I'm not quite sure if any Jamaican people who familiar with the 50-50 people, I'm not sure, but they will know after this. So guys, we're going to react to 50-50 SOS official music video. I was waiting for this. So without further ado, let's see what emergency they have up their sleeve that they need my rescue for. Wait, oh my god. Yo, like every time they opens their mouth, right? I blush. I started to blush. Bro, they are so gorgeous. Aspiringly beautiful. They are so adorable. Their music are so cute. Yo, the crew of them, freaking incredible. I mean, like, I get a beautiful butterfly in my stomach when I listen to their music. Yo, they are so gorgeous in those dresses. Their dances are gorgeous. Then I mean, like, what do these people, right, do without any form of gorgeousness in it? Dang it, yo. Oh my god. So gorgeous! So gorgeous! Oh my Yo, everything they do, it's of beauty in essence. Trust me, bro. Trust me, babies. Trust my darling. I can hear your SOS clearly. Hey, baby. What's up? State of emergency. What? Okay, I'm coming to save you. Wow. Just stay where you're at. Find somewhere safe to go. Or if you can't find anywhere safe to go, just stay still. I'll be at your rescue same time. Wow, I will not hesitate to rescue these females, bro. SOS is an emergency, and trust me, I'm here for your rescue. Hi, babies. Look, splendid than these people you can't find. Ain't no freaking way on earth. They are floating with beauty. Oh my god! Yo, the SOS is so cute. The sound of the SOS is so cute. It gives me the momentum of liking them, of loving them even more. Damn, I wish I could just hug them right now, hug each and every one of them, pat them on the back and say, hey, you guys are stupidly gorgeous.
여는 그 순간 피어나는 little spark 빛은 어느새 어둠을 밀어내 내 목소리가 아닌 작은
She's one of my favorite singers in the group. Her voice is so captivating, right? Her movement, her attitude is so beautifully amazing, right? And each of these individual, everyone have a different display in this music video, and I love hers. Hers is gorgeous, bro.
들은 다 가렛 나의 이야기 그 첫 마디를 시작해 우와 무슨 많고 반복되는 loop
Sweet, sweet, sweet. Boo, 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 boo. My approval for this, it's amazing, bro. I approve of this so much times, man.
Go around, round, round, round through 좀 더 선명히 들린 목소리 Won't let me down, 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 down
Whoa, 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 bro. They look freakingly gorgeous in that white. No, hey, the location they're at right now, sitting on that grassy area with those beautiful white dresses on each of those individual females, it is gorgeous as fuck. Gorgeous as fuck.
SOS I'm calling 내 맘 깊이 들려온 메시지 Can you hear my SOS oh darling
Yo, the five of them have a beautiful dance that I like so much. The dance is so cute, man. Oh god, yo. Bwah, bwah, bwah. Rr, 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 rr.
귀 기울여봐 truth in you I'm you
The animation here is sick, right? The anime, yo, what I respect about these females once more, it's because their music stands out differently. The music videos stands out differently. It's not just a plain music video that everyone does. Each of these people who are partaking in this music video is doing something good. And the music video stands out differently. And that's one of my most respectable things by these females. Trust me.
Can you my SOS Can you my
Yo, as a person who is trying to rescue them, man, in that space and time, in that catastrophe, I would love to just hug them tightly. Yo, I am having a serious crush on these females, bro. Trust me.
SOS 내게 말을 거는 소리 대답해줄게 don't worry
Yo, her voice is so good. No way. Yo, and you know what makes this so stand out? It's because her dress is glowing. She's like a moonlight, right? She's here to steal the night away with such wonderful lighting. Dang it!
다시는 나를 외면하지 않아 나
That's one of the most magical beautification of transition I've seen. Magical, the dress looks magical, she looks magical, everything seems to be magical, dog. Yo, dang it, man. It's magical. They all look so beautiful, bro. Damn.
SOS I'm calling 내 맘 깊이
I don't know what to say, but they are freaking gorgeous. Astonishingly beautiful. Yo, as a Jamaican, I approve this.
메시지 Can you hear my SOS oh darling 귀 기울여봐 truth in you
This another background seems freakingly cute. Beautiful gardening, beautiful place. Look, I would love to come and spend some time with y'all to be very good with y'all. Trust me. And trust me, my good is not the type of good that you guys would like to see. You understand? Yeah, yeah.
I'm you
I guess they are in a puzzle place. I'm not sure what they call that section, but they are searching for a duck. Why would they search for a duck? Can you guys just search for me, or this is the SOS that you are searching for? The duck is the SOS? Come on, don't freak me out like that. Hey, hey, you all look so good. Hey. Okay. I'll not say nothing more. Trust me. Look, if you guys enjoy this video, I enjoyed this video myself. This song was beautiful. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor, and please stay tuned for more 50/50 reaction. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video.